In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to your Clickup workspace. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just need a few extra hands on deck, being able to efficiently invite users is a fundamental skill that enhances productivity in Clickup. We'll walk through every step needed, ensuring you have a smooth experience. Let's begin by accessing the Invite feature. This can be done in several ways depending on what works best for you. If you're inviting someone from the sidebar, simply navigate to the lower left corner of your screen and click on the Invite button. If you're in the thick of a conversation and need to add someone from the chat, you can type the @ symbol followed by their email address, then click Invite. For those on the go, the mobile app provides an easy way to add new members. Simply tap Invite located in the upper right corner of the home screen or within the settings. Now that we've accessed the Invite feature, it's time to enter the necessary email addresses. If you're inviting multiple people, ClickUp allows you to conveniently separate the email addresses with commas. This is a nifty trick to save time and ensure that all your intended invitees receive their invitation promptly. The next step involves choosing the right role for each new addition to your workspace. ClickUp offers a variety of user roles, such as member, guest, limited member, and admin. It's important to select a role that aligns with the level of access and responsibility you plan for the individual. Remember, if you're inviting guests or limited members, you'll need to share specific items or locations with them once they're invited. This additional step ensures they can see and interact with the parts of your workspace that are relevant to their role. Once you've settled on the roles, it's time to send out those invitations. A simple click on the Invite button will send an email to each invitee. This email will contain a link for them to easily join your ClickUp workspace and begin collaborating. For those using paid plans, there's a handy feature allowing you to customize guest permissions. This gives you the ability to control what guests can access and edit, tailoring their experience to suit your needs. Additionally, if your workspace settings require adjustments, you can manage users in the People section found under Workspace Settings. And if you ever need to make a space accessible to your entire team, you can easily make it public through the Sharing and Permissions settings. To recap, inviting someone to your ClickUp workspace can be done effortlessly with just a few steps. Whether through the sidebar, a chat, or the mobile app, you now have the tools to expand your team and improve collaboration. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating in ClickUp.